solve it tutorial. So this video is going to be very interesting. You are requested to like and subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon button guys. Okay. So today topic is same here, MS Word. In our previous video we will learn about the insert tab in a menu bar, and today we will learn about design tab in a menu bar. Right, what is design tab, how it's work. Okay, there is so many things available here, right, to formatting or to designing our documents. Okay, first of all, what is design tab? The design tab is located on the ribbon. What I'm telling in the previous video, that this section is called a ribbon section. Okay, so the design tab is located on the ribbon in Microsoft Word. The ribbon is the horizontal strip. Strip means just like a rectangular box, okay, of buttons, and there is a lot of buttons here in a ribbon, okay, which is used to format or design our documents or anything else, whatever I want to write the text or anything. Just like when I put an image, it is used to design. Here is a page background to change our background colors. Okay, so the design tab is the fourth tab from the left. It means, look here, first, second, third and fourth tab of the left, and between the insert and layout tab. It is presented between the insert and the layout tab right here. Okay, now come to the next. So in MS Word, here is a design tab, right? The design tab is the one of the tab located on the menu bar. Okay, where is it located? On a menu bar, and it is specifically part of a ribbon interface which provide us access to various formatting or design related features, right, for our documents. It also includes tools and options to help you to format and style your document or more effectively, or you can say that it helps us to make my document very attractive. Some of the common features you also see here, just like document formatting, right, page background. Okay, so first of all, what is the and before it, here is the themes. Okay, first of all, what is document formatting? Okay, then document formatting offer options for changing the overall look, not a single look. Always remember the overall look of your document by applying themes, color, font. Okay, all these things are predefined in these designs. Okay, and what is the themes is you to select our page themes, which type of themes I want to put in my desktop. Okay, oh sorry, desktop, in our document window. Okay, so many themes are available here in which you are able to change any type of themes, and all these things are already reactivate the font, color and everything that it want to be changed. Okay, so these are so many options which you want to select to apply on your document. Okay, this is a color option, right? What the basic use of the color option? Only it helps us you to quickly change all the color, okay, used in your document. It is not depend that so many things. Look here, there is so many colors which is available here that help us to quickly change all the color. What about the font? Look, font means to quickly change the font styles, right? Just like the font which are available in our home tab. Look here, this is a font. Okay, just same things is available here. Okay, this is a font. When I want to change my font, then it helps us to change my font. Clear? So, what is the next one? Paragraph spacing. What is paragraph spacing? You can adjust the space before or after the paragraph by using this paragraph spacing. Okay, and what is the effect? It is used to quickly change the general look of object in your document. Okay, it's just quickly change the look of your document, just like this one. Okay, now what is a set as default? It's set as default. It is used to look like for all the document. And when you change some logo, I want to put my logo on the left hand side of my sheet. Okay, and I want that this logo, when this logo is always present when I create a new page. Okay, so this is set as default option is help us to make it possible, right? If any doubt, then please comment me. Okay, now what is the page background? Okay, Page background, what is page background? You can modify the page, right? Background, just like a background color. Nothing more about the background color. You will just put the background, okay, by adding watermark, changing page color, or inserting a page border. There are three options are presented here, okay. Just like when we click on a watermark, okay, there is so many options. If I want to customize my watermark, okay, here is option to remove watermark, here is option to customize watermark. Look here, what the function will do. Not a picture watermark. I want to enter the text watermark, okay, and the text I want to enter just like a solve, okay. After applying and close, look here, there is a light word, right, just like A and S, okay. This is called the watermark, right? So this is called a watermark. What is page color? It is used to design our page just like this. Here you can see that watermark of solve is presented here. It is used to design our page color, okay. This is a border. This is used to set a border of our page just like this one. Look here, there is a border presented in our document window for this page, okay. So the background color is the background color, page background is used to help to design our page or a document, okay, just like watermark, page color, and a page border, okay. So friends, please forgive me if there is any mistake in English because it takes a lot of effort to represent. Okay, I think all of you understand this. Now, so till now I think all of you has understand my topic. Okay, if any doubt, then please comment me. We will know about the next step in next class. Till then, thanks, Jai Hind, Vande Matram, and I apologize to all of you for sound problem if there is any sound issue. Okay, so till then, Jai Hind, Vande Matram.